What's good? What's good, y'all? Back day 8, I believe. Ah, boy, I'm happy because it's all starting to make sense. Everything I'm saying is happening. Um, me switching up what I said I'm gonna do for when 9:30 open, so I won't run into that situation we had the other day. It's working. So let's look at Nasdaq. That's all we're gonna talk about today. We're gonna talk about Nasdaq and S&P 500, and yeah, that's it. That's all we're gonna talk about today. Um, so we go to S&P. I seen yesterday we was in this area, and I seen that we was breaking this low right here, and the only way that I would see us, you know, like I only seen us probably coming back, retesting this area, and then going short. But it kept going. It kept going. So I was thinking shorts already when I was talking to y'all. I think we was the candle was right here when I was first talking. I was saying that's the only thing I see can happen is a retest to come shorter, but it just kept going down, and then it now it's making this little lower high to go shorter, I believe. And it's bouncing off of this area right here too. But I said we was going short, and that's what happened. I look at S&P 500 because S&P 500 shows you what price wants to do. Majority of the time. So I look at that, and it gives me a little insight. Okay, we price might most likely probably gonna be, you know, going short like it did. And after I looked at that, I went to S&P 5. I went to Nasdaq, and Nasdaq was a little different, but it broke this low. Boom! It gave us a correction. So what I wanted to see price come to this level and break it and go short, and that's exactly what happened. So we went to the 5 minute, and instead of me waiting for a retest of this level, I took the momentum. I went ahead and took the momentum because all the sellers is gonna be right here. All the sellers is right here. We know under this level, sellers are strong, and we know they in control. So I went ahead. I let this big candle, went ahead and play out and did what it did. But then I went ahead and got in right here because I knew it was gonna retest it, come back and retest it. So I went ahead and put my level right there. We came back, retested on this next candle right here, as you can see. Then what I did was I put a stop loss of 1,500. I don't even think I needed that much, to be honest with you. Yeah, you can see I didn't need that much, but I went ahead and put 1,500 stop loss. Probably was like 1510, something like that. But we're gonna say 1,500. And then I went ahead and went for 4,000. If I can get this to move. This thing acting stupid. 4,000. Straight 4,000. Okay, we just gonna go with that. But went for straight 4,000, which was a level. Let's see if I can show y'all. It was down here. I knew price was either gonna come. I knew price was gonna come to this level. We had this level right here, and we had this level down here. But I went ahead and went for 4,000. And that's exactly what happened. Price just shot down, straight down. From that, cause let me show y'all exactly on a 4 hour, and then show y'all on the hourly. But that's how my setup was. It went for 4,000. All right, but let's show y'all. Okay, again, let me get my arrow out so I can really point to the places. So we had an indication right here, indication, because this white line right there. Okay, indication that sellers are in control. Boom. Close below this white line. That's the key. Closing below the white line. Boom. Then we had a correction, which closed above this white line. You want your corrections to close above the white line. That's how you know it's a real correction. Boom, it closed. All right. I didn't know if it was gonna keep going up or whatever, but it didn't. So that's when this morning, key time 9:30, New York Open came. We seen that, okay, price looked like it wants to sell off now. So let's go down to the lower time frame, get an accurate sell right here on this level, and boom, enter it right there. Now if we was to go to the hourly, probably see a little different here. See if y'all can see it a little different here. Okay. Same thing on the hourly. It show you more of a detailed version. Boom. Same level. Closed above, below this level. Corrected above this level, right here. And then look at this big candle. Straight drop. Got in right here on this candle. And just rolled it down. Okay. And then you can see it's coming back. It gave us another indication. It's coming back up, correction. We just go wait and see what really happens. We might get a power of 3 type of play tomorrow. Who knows, man? But this is a clean play. I didn't do what I did the other day, which was try to wait for the retest. And I think I need to start like judging, making certain judgments on when should I do a wait for a retest and when should I not wait for a retest. That's the thing I need to learn now on that. But clean. Some people would call this a head and shoulders setup pattern or whatever. You got the shoulder, head, shoulder. They do that. But I try not to look at patterns a lot, because the patterns can mess you up too. If you're just looking for patterns and different things set up every day. But yeah, that's right there. It was paper trade, but you can see, well, it was a little bit more than 4,000, but right there, 4,000, bro. And I'm gonna keep practicing on my day trades in the morning, and then I'm gonna get another account. That's what I'm gonna do. Hope y'all enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please let me know some other things y'all want to see. If y'all want to see me break down how I know how to read market structure, how to read price action, let me know, and I'll explain it to y'all. But yeah, I'm out.